Tired of payment headaches and ready to launch your online dreams? Let's create a Stripe Express account right now. First, head over to stripe.com. If you already have a standard Stripe account, you can use those same credentials to sign in. But if you're brand new to Stripe, click the Sign In button on the top right. Since we're making an Express account, select the Create Account option and it will take you to another page. Fill out your email address, create a strong password, and confirm your country. Remember, the country you select here needs to match where your business is legally registered. Read through Stripe's service agreement and privacy policy before accepting, then click Create Account. After creating your account, you'll need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Stripe and click the link inside. This will bring you back to your Stripe dashboard. Now, for the Express account, you'll need to click Activate Express Account to continue the account creation. You'll be guided through a step-by-step process. Start by providing the business details it asks for. The form will ask information about business details and personal details. Be sure to have your business and personal information at hand. Congratulations! Once you've completed all the required steps, your Stripe Express account will be activated. You can now integrate it into your platform and start accepting payments. Quick, easy, and ready to power your business.